Team Bang Birdie! Okay lang yan, cheer! Okay lang yan! Third place with a score of 597 points. Team Green Minded! Saan yung mga yellow niya? Saan yung mga yellow niya?
Asan ang mga yellow
Yung green and fit.
Yellow
Yeah. Unahin ko tawag yung magcha-champion. Okay? With a score of 705 points. In second place, 620. 705 points. Anong team? Team Yellowness! So wala guys, sorry. Na-continue nila yung legacy, panalo pa rin yung advance. Okay lang yun. Bawi tayo next time. At masaya ba today? Okay, so patay kayo sa Tuesday, okay? Yun lang naman yun. Pag easy today, patay sa Tuesday. Okay? Hope you enjoyed today, guys. See you on Tuesday. Yellow team, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pagyayabang kayo sa ibang house. Guys, Green and Fit, second place with 620 points. Mataas pa rin yun. Kahit kayo ang lowest sa basketball. Kung mataas na points nyo dun, sayang. Bye guys! Guys, pictures champion! Oh, champion.